Hey guys, welcome to Trade in the Charts. My name is Rex and this is Tesla Daily Analysis number 80 for Monday, November 29, 2021. On Monday, Tesla was up 5%, closing at $1136.99. After retesting and holding support of the top of the yellow channel on Black Friday, Tesla has pushed higher today and retested and just barely closed above a key resistance level of the top of the green channel, which currently lies at around 1135. As I've mentioned in my previous videos, this green channel is a major trend line that goes all the way back to August of last year, so it should be well respected. It would be very bullish if Tesla can hold its breakout of this green channel, which would indicate that it is working on its next leg higher. But so far, we haven't been able to hold the breakout of the green channel, as we have had two false breakouts thus far. Will this third time be a charm? Tesla has been consolidating into a wedge formation the past month after its huge parabolic run to recent all-time highs, which could mean it is gearing up for its next leg higher. But first, it will need to hold its breakout of resistance of the top of the green channel at 1135. If it holds above that, we will retest resistance of the top of the wedge, which currently lies at around 1165. A breakout above 1165 would be more bullish, but if we look at the weekly chart, we would still need to break out of resistance of the top of the uptrend channel, which currently lies at around 1185. Only if we can break above all these levels, I can almost guarantee that we will be retesting all-time highs in no time. Of course, this is just my personal opinion. Please always do your own research and due diligence prior to making any financial decisions. Now to the downside, we will need support of the top of the green channel at 1135 to hold. If that level does not hold, then we will have support of the top of the yellow channel at 1085. However, if that support level doesn't hold, we could see a drop to as low as support where the top of the orange channel and the bottom of the wedge currently lie at around 1025. So those are my price predictions for the day. Bull case, we will need to hold our breakout of resistance at 1135. If we can hold above that, it would set us up for a retest of resistance at 1165. Finally, a break above that and we would likely test key resistance at 1185. Bear case, like I said, we will need to hold support at 1135. A drop below that and we will have support at 1085. A pullback below that level would potentially set us up for a retest of support at 1025. Now, on to Tesla news. Tesla to start production in Germany in December. Tesla will launch its overdue German production operations in December, estimating as many as 30,000 vehicles will be manufactured there in the first half of 2022. Production was to have begun in July but was delayed because the company hadn't received environmental clearance. Local regulators are expected to grant the necessary permits within days. 5 units of Model Y have already been completed at the Gigafactory near Berlin, though not on the production line. In January, serial production will start with 1,000 cars per week and gradually increase. Tesla will capture 50% of the $5 trillion EV market in the coming years. According to a report by the Korea Automotive Technology Institute, global EV sales have exceeded 3 million units in the first 3 quarters of 2021, a run rate that puts it on course to break 4 million units a year for the first time ever. In turn, Bloomberg is even more optimistic and expects global sales of passenger electric vehicles this year will reach 5.6 million units, representing 8% of new car sales. Wedbush Securities predicts that Tesla alone could capture up to 50% of the $5 trillion electric vehicle market in the coming years, while the rest of the manufacturers will fight for the remaining 50%. With this in mind, Wedbush analyst Daniel Ives maintains his outperform rating, raising his price target on Tesla from $1,100 to $1,400 per share, with a bull case of $1,800. In every quarter of 2021, Tesla was able to increase its profits, which was mainly due to lower costs and increased sales. Analysts expect this momentum to continue into the next year with increased production, demand that is set to rise, and new factories set to open soon. If Tesla can make improvements in its supply chains in 2022, it will benefit even more. In a leaked email, Elon hints at making moves to decrease size of end-of-quarter delivery wave. The email reads, "Per my email several weeks ago, our focus this quarter should be on minimizing cost of deliveries rather than spending heavily on expedite fees, overtime, and temporary contractors just so that cars arrive in quarter 4. What has happened historically is that we sprint like crazy at end of quarter to maximize deliveries, but then deliveries drop massively in the first few weeks of the quarter. In effect, looked at over a 6-month period, we won't have delivered any extra cars, but we would have spent a lot of extra money and burned ourselves out to accelerate deliveries in the last 2 weeks of each quarter. We will still have quite a big wave of deliveries in the last few weeks of December, as we don't yet have high volume production in Europe or Texas, which means a lot of cars on boats from China to Europe and on trucks or rails from California to the East Coast arriving late in the quarter. But this is nonetheless the right time to start reducing the size of the wave in favor of a steadier and more efficient pace of deliveries. The right principle is, take the most efficient action, as though we were not publicly traded and the notion of the end of quarter didn't exist. Thanks, Elon. And by the way, if you guys want to support the channel and get a free stock worth up to $221.50, be sure to use my referral link in the description below to sign up for Robinhood. Interested in trading crypto? Sign up on Voyager app using my referral code in the description below, then deposit and trade $100 of crypto and get $25 in Bitcoin for free. Or sign up with Gemini using my referral link in the description below and earn $10 in Bitcoin after you deposit and trade $100 of crypto. With Gemini, you are able to stake a number of different cryptocurrencies and earn interest at amazing rates just for holding them in your account. Thanks for watching, guys. Please hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed the video and subscribe for more content.